Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. In today's video, where I'll be sharing basic crochet techniques, I'm going to show you how to crochet the half double crochet. It's taller than a single crochet, but quicker than a double crochet, making it perfect for scarves, bags, and so much more. If you're new to crochet or just want to brush up on your skills, this is a great one to learn. Grab your hook and yarn, and let's have some fun stitching together. Let's start by making a foundation chain. You can make any number of chains to practice. I'll make a few here just to show you how it works. Once you have your starting chain ready, we'll begin our half double crochet. To start the first row, make one chain. Now flip your chain to the back. We'll be working into the back bumps for a neater edge. This chain counts as your first stitch, so we'll work into the next one. Yarn over. Then insert your hook into the back bump of the second chain from the hook. Yarn under and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn under again and pull through all 3 loops. That's your first half double crochet. Let's try again. Yarn over. Then insert your hook into the back bump of the second chain from the hook. Yarn under and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn under again and pull through all 3 loops. That's your first half double crochet. Practice this technique and you'll be well on your way to mastering half double crochet. Next, we'll move on to the second row. First, make one extra chain. This counts as your first stitch. Now flip your work to the back. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch of the row, yarn under, and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn under again, and pull through all 3 loops. Repeat this across the row to continue your half double crochet stitches. And that's it. You've just learned how to crochet the half double crochet stitch. Keep practicing and soon it'll feel super natural. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other crochet videos for more fun projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!